In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the basics of using DaVinci Resolve, an incredibly powerful tool for video editing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Let's begin by opening up DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't installed it yet, be sure to download it from the official website and complete the installation process. Once it's up and running, you'll find yourself on the home screen where your journey in video editing begins. If it's your first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its clean and professional interface. Here you have access to all the essential tools you'll need for creating your project. Once you're comfortable, we'll proceed to the media pool area. This is essentially your video editing playground where all your media files are stored. To begin your project, identify the clip you wish to work on. You can either import it directly by dragging it from your File Explorer, or, if you've already imported it previously, locate it in the Media Pool section. Grabbing the clip with a click, drag it directly into your timeline. Picture your timeline as the heart of your project, where all the magic happens, encompassing visual storytelling. Now, as you drag and drop your clip into the tracks, ensure it aligns properly if you're incorporating multiple clips. This crucial step establishes the foundation of your video project, enabling you to organize each segment with precision. Don't worry if you make a mistake. The undo button is your friend, allowing you to experiment without fear. Dropping the clip onto the track composes the baseline, initiating the creation process where you'll add various elements to enhance your visual narrative. And just like that, you're done. With the clip successfully placed in the track, you've completed a fundamental process in video editing. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can start adding effects, transitions, and audio, sculpting your clip into the masterpiece you envision. In summary, today's focus was on guiding you through these initial steps within DaVinci Resolve, a simple drag and drop task that forms the bedrock of any video project. With practice and patience, you'll soon be navigating this software like a pro, unlocking its potential to create stunning visual content. Feel free to play around and familiarize yourself more with DaVinci Resolve's extensive features, and remember, each step you take enhances your skill set, transforming you into a more adept video editor. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more in-depth tutorials.